I hope you are happy to learn Spanish. You can learn how to use estar to describe your feelings and more right after this. Hola, soy Ricardo. Soy de California originalmente. Ahora estoy en Virginia. Mi casa está cerca del Distrito de Columbia. En el Distrito de Columbia está la casa del presidente. ¿Dónde está tu casa? ¿Está cerca o lejos de Virginia? ¿Está en Estados Unidos? Ahora estoy hablando en YouTube. Mis hijos están estudiando. Mi esposa está durmiendo. Tú estás escuchando mi lección. ¿Qué están haciendo mis amigos favoritos? Justin está escribiendo un mensaje de texto a Selena. Brittany se está cortando el pelo. Kanye está interrumpiendo a alguien. Estoy contento ahora. Ellos están enamorados. El hombre está borracho. Ella está enojada. ¿Cómo? ¿Estoy deprimido? No, tú estás equivocado o equivocada. There are generally three ways to use estar: to talk about location, to say how you are feeling or how someone else is feeling, and to form the present progressive. First, let's look at how it's formed. Estar has an irregular yo form. Yo estoy. From here on out, it looks like a regular AR verb, except for one thing. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Vosotros estáis. Ellos están. What did you notice that was different? There are accents for tú, él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes, where they wouldn't be in other verbs. So, you use estar to talk about location. Where are you? Where am I? Where is my house? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Tú estás en Kansas? ¿Estás en Nebraska? ¿Estás en Florida? ¿Estás en Francia? ¿Estás en Alemania? Yo estoy en Virginia. Next, you can use estar to talk about how someone is feeling. Estoy triste. Estás cansado. We talk about feelings when these feelings are not the normal feelings. So if someone's always chipper and they feel sad for a while, let's say for a day or half a day or whatever, but it's not usual, you say, él está triste. If the Debbie Downer of your group chat finally lightens up, you can say, ella está contenta. Notice that estar is similar in spelling to the word state. In fact, estado, which derives from the verb estar, means state. It can be the state of California, like I'm from, el estado de California. But you can also use estado to talk about a person's mental state. Other adjectives you might use with estar are as follows: alegre, contento, feliz, celoso, deprimido, enfermo, frustrado, interesado, ocupado, sano, seguro. Make sure that the adjective matches the noun that you are referring to in gender and number. So for myself, I said estoy cansado. If I'm talking about my daughter, I might say ella está cansada. If I'm talking about my son and my daughter, ellos están cansados. If I'm talking about my wife and my daughter, ellas están cansadas. The third reason you would use estar is to talk about what's going on in the present progressive. You use a form of estar and a form of the present participle. The present participle, think about that as the ing form of Spanish. So you say, I am talking. Estoy hablando. The ando part of hablar, hablando, tells us that something is happening right now, just like ing tends to do. I am talking, estoy hablando. To form a regular present participle, you drop the AR off of an AR verb like hablar and add ando, hablando. But you will have to use estar with these present participles. Don't use only the participle by itself. For ER verbs such as comer, you drop the ER, then add IENDO, yendo. Estoy comiendo. For IR verbs, it's just like ER verbs. You drop the IR part and you add IENDO, escribir. Ellos están escribiendo unos correos electrónicos. Bueno amigos, muchas gracias and thank you for joining me in another episode of The Spanish Doctor. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you feel right now, what you're doing right now. Suscríbete, échame un me gusta y nos vemos. Adiós.